Good morning, my seedy friends. I wanted to share with you what a glorious morning this was and how to harvest. Who can guess it? I'm sure everyone already knows. Chamomile. This is what fresh chamomile flowers look like. It's morning, about 9 o'clock. When I came out at 7, the dew was still on the ground, so you gotta wait till the dew dries. And once the dew dries in the morning, and you just go up to your flowers, you just pop the heads off. Just like that. Pop the heads off, and you set them on a paper plate to dry, and now you have fresh chamomile tea. Easy peasy. It'll keep making flowers all summer. And as you can see, I've added chamomile seed to lots of different pots. So as you look around, you'll see chamomile everywhere. There's more of it over here. It also is real easy to self-sow. Smells amazing. Smells great. So I just wanted to share with you real quick how to harvest chamomile flowers to dry for tea. We have lots of other things out here that are good for tea as well. I don't know if you're aware, but you can take marigold flowers, as long as they're not sprayed with chemicals, and you can use those flower petals. You can dry them and make tea. The nasturtium, first year growing this. My friend Brenda always does these, and they are amazing. These are great fresh in a salad. You can eat the leaves, you can eat the flowers, you can dry them. They add a little spice and punch to your food. The other thing that's great for tea is violas, or Johnny jump ups. And the more flower heads you pick off, the more they flower. So you can make chamomile viola tea. That would be delicious. There's also anise hyssop growing there. That's kind of got like an anisey flavor. Got calendula getting ready to open right here. It's going to be a big, beautiful, awesome flower. Let's not forget that you can also take wood sorrel, add some wood sorrel to it. If you wanted some good breath, you could add a little parsley. That would be a great addition. My fresh lettuce looks amazing, thanks to my beautiful niece Amber. Kept it all alive while we were in Tennessee. And then you know what else is a great addition to tea? Is oregano, rosemary, any of the mints. This is spearmint. Got lemon balm growing in there. Got lemon balm down here. This would make a beautiful tea. Just take a little snip of this. These are all different mints. Chocolate mint, spearmint, peppermint. Just take a little snip of this. And then before you know it, you thought you came out here just for chamomile tea. And it turns out you have all different kinds of beautiful fresh herbs. That would make an amazing cup of tea right there. Or you could dehydrate it just on a cookie sheet in your windshield of your car. Let it dehydrate. Or if you have an actual dehydrator, you could dehydrate it there. But yeah, let's make some fresh tea. Today I think I'm going to harvest all these chamomile flowers and dehydrate them, so I have a big jar of chamomile tea in case I have trouble sleeping on our new adventures moving to Tennessee. Alright, y'all. Take care. Bye.